Girls Basic 2, floor. Salute. Forward straddle roll. Stand up, feet together. Cartwheel on good side. Cartwheel on goofy side. Feet together. Backward roll, finish in a pike. Stand up. Handstand. Finish in a lunge. Arms out to the side, step kick. Feet together. Split jump. Pivot turn. Arms out to the side, forward chassé. Standing round off. And finish.